Hello students, today we are going to do chapter number 2 of class 2 EVS, and the name of the chapter is Our Body. In this chapter we will learn about external organs, sense organs and internal organs. Now look at the pictures. What you have noticed? Here two pictures are given. In first picture, children are doing exercise. Among them, one of the child said that we should exercise every day to keep our body healthy. Whereas in another picture, the girl said that if we do exercise continuously, our heart beats faster. Now students, I will read a chapter paragraph wise, then I will explain it to you side by side. Okay, now let's start. When we look in the mirror, we can see the different parts of our body. Different parts of our body do different things. They all work together so that we can sit, play, study and sleep. Each part of our body that carries out a particular function is known as an organ. The three types of organs are external organs, sense organs and internal organs. So students, in this paragraph, what we have learned that when we look in the mirror, we see our different parts of our body like head, eye, mouth, nose, hands, legs, so on. Different parts of our body do different things. They do all work together so that we can sit, eat, play, study and sleep. Each part of our body that carries out a particular function is known as organ. Our organs are classified into three categories. They are external organs, sense organs and internal organs. Now move on to next paragraph. That is external organs. The parts of the body that can be seen and are outside the body are called external organs. Our head, neck, arms, elbow, chest, hands, legs and feet are external organs. Arms and legs are also called limbs. They help us do many things. According to the paragraph, external organs are the parts of the body that can be seen and are present outside the body. They are called external organs. Like our head, neck, arms, elbow, chest, hands, legs and feet are some external organs. Okay? Arms and legs are called limbs. They help us to do many things. Okay, you can see the pictures over here. Some external organs are given like head, neck, chest, arm, elbow, hand, knee, leg, foot, etc. Now move on to next, that is sense organs. The parts of the body that help us to feel and sense things around us are known as sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They help us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. A pair of eyes helps us to see things around us. A pair of ears helps us to hear sounds. The nose helps us to smell and breathe. The tongue helps us to taste sweets, sour, salty and bitter things. It also helps us to speak. The skin helps us to touch and feel things. So here in this paragraph, what we have learned that the sense organs are the parts of the body that help us to feel and sense things around us are known as sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Each organ has a particular function, like eyes help us to see the things around us. Ears help us to hear the sounds. Nose helps us to smell and breathe. Tongue helps us to taste the food, like sweet, bitter, sour, salty, and so on. It also helps us to speak. And the last one is skin. It helps us to touch and feel the things. So you can see the pictures over here. Sense organs, okay, are given: eyes, ears, tongue, skin, nose. Okay, it is given out here. Now move on to next. Give it a shot. Name the parts of the body that are being used to perform the actions in these pictures. So here you have to mention the parts of the body that are being used to perform the action in these pictures. Okay. Now look at in the first picture. Girl is writing. Okay. Girl used her hand to write. So here you have to, in the first blank, so you have to write hands. Okay. So now in next picture, boy is listening a music. So here boy used his ears to listen the music. So similarly in the third picture, the boy is running. He used his legs to run. So here in this blank you have to write legs. In fourth picture, girl is playing with their hands. So she used her hands to play. So here in this blanks you have to write hands. In fifth picture, boy is eating. So boy used his mouth to eat. So here in this blanks you have to write mouth. So whereas in sixth picture, the boy is smelling a flower. So boy used nose to smell. So you have to write nose out here. Now move on to next, that is clean and healthy body. We must keep our body clean and healthy. To stay healthy, we must follow some good habits. Here some good habits are given. So let's start with the first one. Sleep for at least 8 to 9 hours every day. Wake up early in the morning and go to sleep early. Another one, brush our teeth every morning and at night before going to bed. Next, take bath every day. Next, change our clothes every day and wear neat and clean clothes. Another one, wash and comb our hair to keep it tidy. Wash our hands before and after eating our meals. Next, eat healthy foods. Another one, exercise every day. And last one is play in a park every day. These all are the good habits. Okay. Now move on to next, that is internal organs. The parts of the body that are inside the body and cannot be seen are called internal organs. Some internal organs are brain, heart, lungs, and stomach. The brain is inside the head. It helps us to think and collect information from our surroundings. It sends signals to all the parts of the body to work. The heart is inside the chest. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. It beats continuously. The sound of the heartbeat is lub-dub, lub-dub. A pair of lungs is inside the chest. Lungs help us to breathe. The air we breathe in enters through our nose and then into the lungs. The stomach is inside the belly. The food from the mouth goes into the stomach. It helps us to digest the food. Now, according to the paragraph, we learned that internal organs are the parts of the body that cannot be seen and are present inside the body. Okay, like brain, heart, lungs and stomach are some internal organs. Each internal organ has a particular functions. Now let's start with brain. Brain is located inside the head. It helps us to think, collect information from our surroundings, and it sends signals or information to all the parts of the body to work. Another one is heart. Heart is located inside the chest and it pumps blood to all parts of the body. Okay. Another one is lungs. A pair of lungs located inside the chest. It helps us to breathe. Another one is stomach. Stomach is located inside the belly and it helps us to digest the food. Okay. Now we have come to an end of this chapter. Now let's go through the exercise portion of this chapter. Let's start with exercise A. Look at the pictures and fill in the missing letters to name different parts of the body. Pictures of some parts of the body are given here. Some letters are missing, so you have to see the picture and fill the missing letters in the given blank space. So look at number 1. It is a picture of teeth. So here 2 letters are missing. So you have to write the missing letters or the spelling of the teeth. You have to write it out here. Okay. Similarly, number 2 and number 3 you have to do by yourself. Now move on to next exercise, that is B. Find the names of 10 different parts of the body hidden in this word grid. Use different colors to highlight them. One has been done for you. So here you have to find the names of 10 different parts of the body which is hidden in this word grid. One has already done for you, that is ear. Another part of the body is stomach. That is, I am showing it to you. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. So this portion you have to highlight with another different color. Now rest you have to find it out by yourself. Now move on to next. Exercise C. Tick the correct answer. Here you have to choose the correct answer from the words given below. So look at here in question number 1. The food we eat goes from the mouth to the stomach. So stomach is the correct answer. Similarly, you have to do 2, 3, 4, 5 by yourself. Okay, now move on to question and answers. Students, only question and answers you have to do in your exercise copy. That is interleave copy which I have already shown you in the previous video. Thank you.